If you are an NVC trainer, would it make your life more wonderful if you could thrive even more emotionally, mentally, financially, and spiritually by bringing NVC to organizations? Hello and welcome. This is Miyashiro, author of The Empathy Factor. If you answered yes, please join me for one or both of 2 free interactive sessions in the Time for Empathy Week hosted by Empathic Way Europe. Co-facilitators with me are certified NVC trainer colleagues Ranjitha Jeurkar from India, Kathleen Laet from Belgium, and Cooley from the United States. All of them are graduates of Giraffe Business School 2023. These sessions are based on the curriculum of the Giraffe Business School, a professional and personal development program that I created to help NVC trainers thrive while making more impact through NVC in organizations. So what will you learn? I call it the 3 C's. The first C stands for content, what to do. You will see a unique and powerful 8-step process for engaging clients that I developed and used for 19 years to bring NVC to over 60 countries and train over 55,000 people in organizations. It sounds unbelievable, doesn't it? But it's true. We also will be sharing for the first time ever pathways to sustainability, how to go from a busy bee that is exhausted searching for clients to a fragrant flower that attracts the kinds of clients you long for. The second C stands for confidence. Learn what step 1 is before you even meet with a potential client. This will inspire confidence in you and trust in you by your clients. The third C stands for community. Come be with like-minded NVC trainers. We can dream a beautiful dream together and give ourselves empathy for the pain around organizations, and there's plenty, and of making money. Come to one or both of the free Giraffe Business School 90-minute sessions to experience with me this content, confidence, and community. This giraffe and I hope to see you soon.